What's going on, beautiful people? It's your boy Marlon Bennett, the original student of the game of internet marketing. Guys, I got a great one for you today, okay? In today's video, we're going to talk about the best way to establish or to have more success in your business, okay? So let's get right into the video, guys. Guys, show me anybody, right, who have achieved any level of success, and I don't care what it's in, and I will show you a person who has made themselves famous, okay? Now, we're going to be talking particularly about internet famous today, but before we get into that, let's talk about the old days and what people used to do in the old days. I used to watch a lot of movies on TV. I'm a big movie buff, right? So in the old days, this is what people would do, guys. We didn't have the internet. It wasn't around. If a person wanted to achieve any level of fame, right, what they would do, depending on where they lived in the United States, is they would leave their homes and head to California, Hollywood, or they would head to New York, okay? Those were the best places that you could go if you wanted to achieve any level of fame. You've seen the movies, right, where the person would pack a little suitcase and they're like, I'm going to stake my claim to fame, right? And they'd head to California or they'd head to New York, right? Okay. Thanks to the World Wide Web, guys, you don't have to go to California and you don't have to go to New York to achieve a level of fame, okay? Now, with the World Wide Web, guys, anybody can become internet famous, right? So look, check this out, right? The best way to achieve even more success, right, is to become even more famous, right? How can you do that? There's all kinds of ways to do it, guys, thanks to the internet, right? So we're going to talk a little teeny bit about it. But before we talk about that, let me say this. Guys, if you don't invest in business products and services that can enhance and improve your skill sets, you'll never see the value in yourself, right? And if you don't see the value in yourself, you will never see the value in the products and the services or the opportunities that you promote. Does that make sense? Right? You have to see the value in yourself before you can achieve, or if you want to establish and achieve a level of success. The best way to do that is to make yourself internet famous. Over the course of the next year, I will not only double my internet marketing online business income, but I will double the amount of subscribers I have on my YouTube channel, and I will double, if not triple, my fame, right, across the World Wide Web. That's what I want to do, guys. I want to be internet famous. So that's what let me close this window, guys. I got papers blowing all over the place. That's why I do what I do, guys. I want to be internet famous. Not necessarily overnight, but that's what I want to do, and that's what I'm on track to do, guys. There's nothing that can stop me from doing it. Now, why am I talking about becoming internet famous, right? Because I just said to you guys, if you want to establish a level of success and you want to increase your level of success, the best way to do it is to simply make yourself famous. You don't know anybody who's successful in any walk of life who haven't achieved any level of success. You often hear people talk about fame and fortune, okay? And the other day I was talking about, semantics. Well, that's not really semantics, guys, because usually fortune or financial success is a byproduct of fame, right? You don't know many people who are really famous who haven't achieved a certain financial level of success as well, right? They just go together. Now, here's what I want to do, guys. We're talking about investing in yourself. If you don't believe, right, in yourself enough to invest in yourself, then how will your message resonate with other people if they don't see the confidence inside of you, right? You guys always hear me talking about speaking your success into existence. Those are not semantics, guys. I'm doing it right before your eyes. You're watching me do it. And if you stay on my YouTube channel long enough, you watch me long enough, watch my space. You guys will see exactly what I'm talking about. I'm speaking my success into existence. Now, before I tell you what I got for you guys today, which is really cool, and I'm going to give you guys an opportunity to invest in yourself right now today at the low, low price of $25.95 and some odd change. That's one time, and then $5 and some odd change a month after that. We're talking about investing in yourself. Now, let me tell you what's going to happen when you make an investment in yourself today. And I want you to understand this because it's very important, right? Now, let me say this one more time before I move on. If you don't see the value in yourself, you will never see the value in the products, the services, or the business opportunities that you promote. And if you don't invest in business and products and services that can enhance and improve your skill set, you'll never see the value in yourself anyway. They go together, right? But today I got a special bonus that I'm going to give you guys when, first of all, you join with us here on Team Mansell inside of the old marketplace. That's number one, right, guys? So that's going to give you an opportunity to get inside this new social media platform and do some really incredible things in and of itself. Mike's doing some cool, crazy bonuses inside. But let me tell you what I'm going to do and what you're going to have instant access to when you actually become a part of our team today. Guys, you're going to get a product, right? Called the social marketing sales funnel, okay? Social marketing sales funnel. You're going to get that, right? And inside of that product, guys, when we talk about becoming internet famous, right? When we're talking about how to become, get more exposure to yourself, because at the end of the day, that's what it's all about. And we're not talking about a lot of hard work here. We're just talking about a blueprint, some principles you can follow, right, to establish that. It's called a social media sales funnel. I'm not, up until this point, I haven't really been a big social media person outside of YouTube. But I'm telling you guys, I can't tell you the extent of my excitement just in terms of tapping into this particular product, right? And you're going to get it absolutely free because it just, if my mind wasn't expanded already large enough, now, guys, it's really off the charts. And so you guys see me, right? And I know a lot of times you guys, you can hear the enthusiasm in my voice, right? And the reason why, guys, is because I really immerse myself in a lot of great training. I really do. And it used to seem like a task when I first started. But now, guys, I can't wait to get up in the morning, jump on my desktop, and just dive into the training, right? After a while, it's not even, you don't even think of it as training anymore. Anyway, before I get off, I'm going on and on and on and on and on. I'm going to leave the link in this YouTube video description area, guys, along with my other links. You guys know how we're doing this now. And when you guys join and become a part of the team today, guys, you're going to get that social media sales funnel, okay? That social marketing sales media funnel. You guys are going to absolutely love this. Once you guys join, you'll find all the information. Let me scroll down just a little bit of what we're doing here, just in terms of joining the team. Within minutes, you will actually have instant access to the social marketing sales system funnel. And I want you guys to sit aside a couple of minutes every day to sit down and go through this training. It's very short training, guys. I don't even think it's, I don't know, 30 minutes long, but very powerful. And twice its weight in gold and worth what you're going to do just to become a member of the old marketplace. And that's just that one time, I think $25.95, whatever it is. Invest in yourself today. Invest in your education, guys. Invest in your internet marketing training, right? Start speaking your own success into existence, okay? Anyway, guys, I got miles to go before I sleep. Thousands of more videos to shoot. So as always, this is your boy, Marlon Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Keep banging, guys. I will see you on the next video.